Stormwater drainage systems play an important role in protecting Smyrna homes, businesses, roads, and neighborhoods from flooding. One key part of that system is the network of drainage easements located throughout our community. A drainage easement is a designated area on private property that allows stormwater to safely flow through ditches, pipes, and other drainage structures. While the property owner still owns the land, the easement allows the Town of Smyrna access to inspect, maintain, and repair public drainage infrastructure, such as culverts, head walls, storm pipes, and drainage channels. The town is also responsible for structural repairs, erosion repairs, and restoring proper water flow when needed. While the town maintains the drainage infrastructure, property owners are responsible for routine maintenance within the easement. This includes regularly mowing and edging grass, clearing brush, removing trees and saplings that can obstruct water flow, and picking up litter and other debris. Keeping these areas maintained helps prevent stormwater from backing up and causing flooding on your property or affecting neighboring properties. Overgrown vegetation, fallen limbs, and debris can slow the flow of water and reduce the effectiveness of the drainage system during heavy rainfall. It is also important to keep trash and other materials out of drainage easements. Debris can clog culverts and storm drains, restrict water flow, and eventually be carried into local streams, lakes, and rivers. Keeping these areas clean helps protect both our drainage system and our waterways. Property owners should also avoid placing permanent improvements within drainage easements. Fences, sheds, retaining walls, landscaping features, and other structures can interfere with stormwater flow and may prevent the town from accessing the area for maintenance or emergency repairs. Even open-style fencing, such as chain-link fences, can collect debris and create drainage problems. By working together to maintain clear drainage easements, we can reduce flood risks, protect our neighborhoods, and ensure Smyrna's stormwater system continues to operate effectively. If you have questions about drainage easements, stormwater maintenance responsibilities, or would like to determine whether your property contains a drainage easement, please contact the Town of Smyrna Public Works Department or the Planning Department. Staff can review your subdivision plat to identify drainage, utility, and access easements on your property.